simple aim of the game is these four are going to have 60 seconds to go into the arena and find somewhere to hide, and then I'm going to become hunting them down, and as soon as they get shot, they're then out and come back in here. That is the end of it, okay? So that is literally as simple as it's going to be. So you've all got 60 seconds to go.
Round one.
Alright, let's go.
It's shit sometimes, isn't it?
That's why I'm glad I only need to wear mine for reading.
Hi guys, Shani here, and I'm an idiot because I didn't connect my microphone properly.
How?
Do you need me to hoist you into somewhere?
Nope.